I'm going to be talking about microphones. What is a microphone? A microphone is a transducer that converts acoustic energy to electrical energy through a diaphragm. But how does it work? The diaphragm moves a coil relative to the magnet that it surrounds. Through this, it produces voltage. The same concept applies to the electric guitar that it picks up.
Now we're going to talk about speakers and amplifiers. A speaker is another type of transducer. It converts electric to acoustic energy. Electrical energy from the microphone causes the speaker cone to vibrate. The vibration is relative to the sound going into the microphone. An amplifier is a type of audio processor. This means that it manipulates or changes electrical signals. An amplifier is also a dynamic audio processor. This means it changes the amplitude of the signal as well. The signal comes into the amplifier from the guitar. The amplitude is then manipulated and projected through the speakers.
How does the signal transfer from one transducer to the next? That does it through an audio cable, of course. There are options as wireless, but for this project, we are using cables. The cables we are using for this project, we use a 1/4 inch, which is a TRS cable, and then we also use an XLR cable for the mic. There are many types of cables. The TRS cable consists of 3 different parts: a conductor, a shield, and a jacket. The conductor is usually made of copper, which takes the signal and travels through the wire. Also, you have the shield that protects it from interference through outside interference. Also, you have the last thing, which is the jacket with perfect insulation to protect all these sounds or signals from traveling through the wire to the next transducer.
Our topic was vibrations and resonance, and to demonstrate that, we have a guitar amp here used to amplify the sound of an electric guitar. Now, what we are trying to figure out is why the sound quality of the guitar, and this could apply to pretty much any speaker, why does the sound quality change when you move your position relative to the speaker or amp? In other words, why does it sound different if I were to stand in front of the amp as opposed to standing next to it or behind it? And a lot of that has to do with resonance, vibration, the acoustics of the room, the distance at where you're standing.